Indicators on the TradingFinder site can be accessed from this section. To access indicators on the Tel Aviv site, search in the Indicators section and apply the selected ones on the chart. For quicker access, go to the Auto section and enable this option to add your own indicators. Traders can also this page to learn and gain a deeper understanding of how Indica works. To access indicators, we search in the Indicators section and apply them. For quick access, go to the Auto section and enable this to add your indicators. Once applied, start drawing price ranges. Identify ranges by a pattern. If first and third candle shadows overlap in the second half, it's significant. This is either bullish or bearish. Identify ranges. If shadows overlap, it's significant. This can be bullish or bearish. Use this range to find levels. The way to identify and determine these ranges is based on a secondary pattern, where if the shadows of the first and third candles overlap in the second half, it is considered a significant range. This can be identified in two ways, either as a bullish range or as a bearish range. Using this range, you can identify support or resistance levels where price returns can trigger reactions. For example, when a bearish pattern forms and price drops, it can react to the range and continue its downward movement. You can set candle number for range validity. Default is 10. A bearish trend forms, it continues downward. Options are available. Firstly, set the number of candles for range validity. Default is 10. 10 candles are drawn. If price misses or passes them, range is invalid. In this section, set the required candle number. For range validity, default is 10. 10 candles are drawn. If price misses or exceeds them, range is invalid. 3 conditions, opposite of Malfi-Phillips, validate this. 10 candles are used, and if the price doesn't reach or passes through them, the range is invalid. 3 conditions, based on the opposite of Malfi-Phillips, are considered. When the price nears the lowest level of this zone, reaching this range is significant. 3 conditions. Malfi process default. Price near lowest range is valid. At 50% range, valid. At highest range, valid. Ends range. Price validation options, nearest level, 50% level, highest level. Filters and range identification have 4 conditions. Top-down approach increases strictness. Default is valid. Safe is stricter. Higher levels suit risk-tolerant traders. Lower levels are cautious. The range is identified as valid when the price reaches the 50% level. By selecting the second option, if the price reaches the 50% level, it is considered valid, and by choosing the third option, if it reaches the highest level of the range, it is recognized as valid, and the range is not continued. The next section is about filters and identifying the ranges, which are categorized into 4 conditions here. As we move from the top down, there is more strictness in identifying and drawing the ranges. By default, it is set to valid, but if it is set to safe, the strictness increases. So the higher we go, the more suitable it is for traders who are more risk tolerant, and the lower we go, the more suitable it is for traders who consider less risk. To use this feature, you can enable this option. For traders who consider less risk, this is very suitable. To use this feature, you can enable this option. For example, we select the Apple buried mode, and as you can see here, the ranges that are suitable for us are those with lower risk. It's very suitable. To use this feature, you can enable this option. For example, we select the Apple buried mode, and as you can see here, the ranges that are suitable for us are those with lower risk. They disappeared from the chart. The next section covers showing the bullish space with color options. Next, price alerts notify you when prices hit a range. Enable this to get alerts when prices reach the range. Select this to alert after prices hit the range and the candle closes. The first option considers all alert conditions. The last section is about timing, setting alerts by UTC time. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Share your comments and suggestions. It's called Price to Range Media, and you can set whether or not FVG can send you an alert. With this option enabled, they will send you an alert if the price reaches the range. If you select this option, the restaurant will send you an alert after the price reaches the range. By selecting the first option, it will consider all the conditions for you and send you the alert. It will send you an alert. And the last part is the timing, where you can set the alert based on your desired UTC time. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this tutorial on the indicators. We would be happy to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments section.